welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your screen repair services business. If you offer screen repair services, then manually sharing all the bookings and updates can take up a lot of your time. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will share updates and allow clients to book services all automatically through WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for screen repair services. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Hi, this is Clearview Screen Repairs. How can we assist you today?" And it has provided us three options. I'm going to select the first one that says Book Screen Repair. It responds us with, "Book a screen repair. Let's get your repair scheduled. Please reply with what needs repair." So here I'm going to say door. And it responds me with, "Let's get your repair scheduled. Please reply with address." So here I'm going to send a demo response such as ABC location. And it responds me with, "We have registered your details as door and ABC location. We will confirm your appointment shortly." Next, I'm going to select get an estimate. And it responds me with, "To provide an estimate, please send a photo for accuracy." So I'm going to send an image like this. And the chatbot responds us with, "Estimated cost 500 to 1200 depending on screen type and issue. Final quote after inspection." And lastly, I'm going to select an option of repair status. And our chatbot responds us with, "You can fetch your real-time repair updates. Click on the link below," and it has provided us with a clickable tracking link. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for screen repair services with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, and for that, we have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as untitled. So we are going to name it WhatsApp Chatbot for Screen Repair Services. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which helps us by activating the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. So here I am going to add a welcome message. Here I have added this message, and here I have added these little star signs because it will make our message appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here I have added this message which will look like this to the user. With the help of this add button, I am going to add some quick reply options, such as here I have added book screen repair. Next I am going to add another option which is get an estimate. And lastly I am going to add an option which is repair status. Once we are done with our first message, we have to curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with book screen repair, and for that I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get repair details from the user. Here I've added book a screen repair. Let's get your repair scheduled. Please reply with what needs repair. And here you can see we have an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, we need to create it first. And to do that, you have to save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you have to go to the settings and then select this third option of contact custom fields. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you have created your contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I am going to select add, and as format I am going to select any, then I am going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I am going to curate one more question. So I am going to access the question box again, and here I am going to ask for another question. And here I have added book a screen repair. Let's get your repair scheduled. Please reply with address. So here in the contact custom field, I'm going to select address, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Lastly, we are going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add. So here I've added this confirmation message which looks like this. We have registered your details as $add. Add was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details of the user. And similarly, we have added $address because address was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual address of the user. We will confirm your appointment shortly. Once we are done with our first response, we can move on to the next one. And for this, I'm going to ask media, and here I'm going to add a message. So here I've added this message to provide an estimate. Please send a photo for accuracy. In media type, I'm going to select image, and number of attempts I'm going to provide 2. You can provide as many attempts as you want. And here we can add a validation message. I'm going to leave it empty. Next, I'm going to send an estimate message. And for that, I'm going to access the text button. Here I've added estimated cost between 500 to 1200 rupees depending on the screen type, and issue final quote after inspection. Lastly, we are going to create a response for repair status. So for this, I'm going to access the text button again. Here we have added this message which will look like this. You can fetch your real-time repair updates. Click on the link below. Here we have added a clickable tracking link. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for screen repair services with the help of Pabbly Chatflow easily by accessing all of its features. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. You can save your flow from here. Once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.